So I'm gonna try something that I've never tried before, and I can't believe I've never tried it. So I have freckles on my face, okay? But I watched this girl, she showed up on my For You page, and she was doing her freckles, her fake freckles, her faux freckles, if you will. And I'm like, I need to try that. So we're gonna try that today. I am using the Saint Tropez, I think that's how you say it, advanced 1 hour tan. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it on, if I'm gonna leave it on for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't know, we'll see where the wind takes me. So I'm just gonna pump a little bit. That should be enough in the back or in the little cap. She used like a specific kind of brush where like the bristles were, you know, but I don't have that. Oh God, I'm so nervous. And why do I feel like, is this doing anything? Like I can't really tell. Hold on. Oh wait, it's kind of working, but I gotta look in the mirror. Hold on. Wait, this is like a genius idea for more freckles. I never, ever, ever thought to do this. I'm so shaky because I had 2 cups of coffee, so just, you know, let me live. Hopefully this does not look jacked up. I've also seen girls contour their face with self-tanner. Every time I record a video, there is some wacky, wild shit going on in town. Hold on. It was kind of rude, but whatever. I'm going in on this side. But as I was saying, I've seen the girlies do a contour with their self-tanner, and I will say, I will admit that I am not brave enough to do that. I'm not even sure that I'm brave enough to do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. God, I'm so shaky. I should not have had that second cup, but it is what it is, right? It's really hard to tell, and hopefully these are not like huge dots. She had like a really fine, and she just dab, dab, dab. I unfortunately do not have that. So in the summer, I get freckles everywhere on my face. So we're just gonna try to make it look like, I hope I don't come out looking like a spotted leopard. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I fear that. I feel like I should stop before I like really jack my shit up. So I'm gonna let this sit for an hour and then I'll come back and we'll take a look. I am so nervous. Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into, honestly? Wait, honestly, what if I try to contour my face? I'm gonna try. I am a little nervous, but I'm just gonna go in with a light hand. Oh my God. Holy shit. Time to do the jaw. And I'm gonna drag it down. Ugh. Literally, what have I done? What have I done? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see, right? Well, I mean, I'm already... Let's just do my eyelids while we're at it, right? Ugh. And down my nose. Ugh. Oh my God. Hopefully this turns out good, because... if not, I don't know. Took a shower before the hour was up because I just don't know how to wait. I have no patience for anything. I did bubble braids to try to pass the time and one snapped. I'm out of breath, and for what, I don't know. Did I say I used snail mucin first? If not, I did. I don't know. Clinique moisturizer. And all over the face and neck. I have 2 pimples on my neck right now. It's really nobody's business, but I just wanted to share that, okay? So, okay, what do we think? Not bad. Did I wash it all off? Like, I can't tell. Let me know.